Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today I'm going to try to beat the clock. I want to do my makeup in 10 minutes or less, but I'm going to set this clock for 15 minutes. Set it for 15. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Okay, let's get started. Today I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 334 Warm Sun. And this don't have no pump, no spatula, no doe foot or nothing. Okay, I'm gonna put it on this brush. Try to hurry up. You don't see me. And I've never tried this color before. I tried this foundation before in a different color. Come on. No, I got a pump that'll fit this bottle. It's going in here. I'm trying to rush. I look like I got peanut butter smeared on my face. Maybe this wasn't the right thing to use to put the makeup on. We will soon find out. Trying to hurry up. Oh, it looks way too light. Well, okay, I'm gonna be a white girl today, because I look white. Okay. Get these dark eye sockets extremely dark. I'm gonna make this color work. If you buy the wrong makeup and you only got one, you don't have nothing to mix it with, you can make it work. Watch, I'm gonna make it work. Time is ticking and I ain't did nothing yet. The corners of the nose. Get right here. I've been busy today. Trying to redo my living room, y'all. I get tired of looking at stuff. And what I do is I put covers on everything. Couch covers, dining room chair covers. Okay, I'm through with this. Cap this. Okay. I need some blush. Put it on now. Using the same stuff y'all see all the time. The Starry 3 Shadow 3 Blush Palette. I'm looking over here at a mirror I got to the side. Okay, get that out the way. Oh, what I need. Lipstick. Use my lip balm first. Ofra lipstick in the color Ruby. I think I'm gonna wear purple today because I got on this purple caftan. Put the lipstick on right now. This is Purple Rain by Lip. I forgot the name of this. Lip Bar. So Jeannie went home last night. She got there at 5 in the morning. I don't advise nobody to have over one child. They worry you to death. I got 7. A bunch of grandkids and now great-grandkids. Kids worry you to death doing stuff. What I need? I ain't putting on none of this stuff to go into here. Can't think of what I do need. Eyebrows. Eyebrows frame your face, so you need eyebrows. How much time I got? Shouldn't worry about it. I got 11 minutes. That's all. I'm using this stuff, Queen of the Field Tinted Brow Gel. Looks like this. I got it from Amazon. You need eyebrows. Try not to make mine too dark because it looks harsh to me. I like an arched brow. Okay, I always mess up one. It's okay. Do with that. Get that out my way. I got some Stay Matte concealer up in here. So I'm going to straighten out these brows. Okay, that's what I have to do. I need some. What's this stuff go on my eyelids? Eyeshadow. I'm using the Spotlight palette. I'm going to use different shades of purple. I'm putting light purple up here. I have to put this down and pick up the mirror so I can see. I'm putting another purple on the lid. The real purple. Now I'm going to use a darker color. I'm using navy blue. I see a deep purple. There's a deep purple right here. I like a little smokiness. I'm going to go right here and do that. Cut that crease. I need to show y'all. Go to the outer V, up a little, and then cut the crease like that. Just like you color in the lines when you got a coloring book. That's good. Now I'm going to blend it. Start with that light color. Go to town right there. Okay. Now I need liner. I have this Eye Method Beauty eyeliner. It also has, it comes in a set of two, it has wings. So I'm not using the wing side, I'm going to use the eyeliner side. Like a skinny marker. 6 minutes. I want to do this in 10 minutes. I have gone as long as, I'm ashamed to say it, 42 minutes, y'all. On a makeup video, I had to cut out a lot. Stuff ain't gotta be perfect. I ain't trying to win no beauty contest. Now I need my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Very, very good. It's expensive, but it's good. If you want something cheaper, use the Hard Candy Lash Extensions mascara. It's very good too. When you put this on and you want to do a second coat, do it while the first coat is still wet. That way it won't clump. This is the tubing mascara. It's easy to take off once, you know, you're ready to take your makeup off. It comes off in little tubes. Do the other eye. I went past the 10 minutes. You get all that juice from all around the brush. One more coat. Twirl it around in there, don't pump it. That introduces air into it when you pump it, and then you get more bacteria in there. Nobody got time for no eye infections. That's good. And I always put like a green eyeliner under here, no matter what color I got on. No matter what color eyeshadow I have on. I think I'm as cute as I can be. I need some powder on. I'm using this new powder, Maybelline Fit Me, in color 330 Toffee Caramel. Never used this before. It looks pretty light. I'm going to use the sponge. I hope it ain't too light. We're gonna see. It's pretty light. I don't want to look ashy, y'all. Sound like somebody coming to my house. Pull up in the driveway. It looks pretty light. Put on a color that I know works. The Soft Focus stuff by Black Radiance. I know this works for me. Uh-oh, it's about to ding. Oh, look like this color has calmed down, so I got it on the sponge, so I'm going to use it. Okay, that's better to me. I have my hair pinned back. think I'm through. I have on the Monica wig by Free Tress Equal. Okay, I'm as cute as I can be. I did this in under 15 minutes. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's after 7:30. Yay! I'm happy. It don't take all day to put on makeup. Now let me go back in and take it off. I think I look pretty good. What y'all think? Okay. Y'all be blessed. And those of you all who I haven't wished a Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Today is the 3rd. Okay. Bye. Be blessed. And I'm about ready to take off these nails and put some more on. As you can see, they still look good. But this nail got kind of jagged when I was doing work around the living room. So I'm going to have to file it. And filing it will mess up the nail wrap. So I'm going to do some more nail wraps. But they still look good. Okay. Bye.